Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a project in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, go down here until you see project section. Now, the thing is that you have to open the project that you want to delete before deleting it. So click on it. And then in order to delete this project, you will have to go right here to this actions arrow. And this will open up this drop down where all the way down you can see delete project. So click on that and then confirm with delete. But keep in mind that this will delete this project along with any unassigned task, custom fields rules, task templates, and read-only links for this project. So if you are sure, press delete, and now your project is successfully deleted. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.